Thank you once again for always clicking my video and clicking on this. Hello, nice to meet you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make a mini donut. This can be done when you are doing some party or any occasion. Okay, it is so simple and easy to make. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here a stick of butter. I'm just going to whisk it very well, then we proceed to the next procedure. Thank you very much. And if today is the first time here, welcome. I do appreciate your beautiful time here and I don't take it for granted. Thank you, my returning subscribers, for always watching my videos and showing me love. So we are just going to whisk this, and as I said earlier, when I add the next ingredient, I'll let you know. Thank you. At this point, you can add 4 tablespoons of sugar, but I decided to use condensed milk instead. So that is 4 tablespoons of condensed milk I've added. And then I'll go ahead and add a tablespoon of honey. You can go ahead and omit it, okay? Use only the sugar or whatever sweetener that you want to use. The next ingredient I'll be adding is 5 eggs. Please go ahead and add any quantity that you want to use. If my voice has changed, pardon me for that. I had to hide somewhere to continue with the voiceover. I'm very sorry. So I'll go ahead and mix it very well. The next ingredient I will be adding is milk. You can actually use any milk of your choice, okay? But I'm going to use evaporated milk, and that is 1 cup of evaporated milk. Please go ahead and use any quantity of your choice and mix it very well. Add my 2.5 cups of flour. So I'll mix it very well. I got a question from a subscriber asking me if she can use cake batter for this recipe. Actually, I used it and it didn't work out for me, okay? So please note, to me it didn't work out. Yes, it didn't work out. I made some cake and I took some for this recipe and it didn't work. So if you follow this one, it is going to work perfectly for you. Thank you very much. So our flour contains 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Please note this. The flour contains a tablespoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt as well. So we are just going to start our donut making, okay? Stay in touch and do not go anywhere. After covering this, I waited for just a minute, and after a minute, this is how our donut is looking. So delicious already. Oh my god, this was melting in my mouth. So nice. Try this and you are going to love it. You can see that it is so simple, easy, and we used few ingredients for this. Make this for the kids and they are going to love it. I have another donut recipe I made, chocolate and vanilla. I will link the video at the top and also in the description box. Please check it out and you are going to love it. See how fluffy it is. You can see it is going to taste good. Thank you very much for watching and I do appreciate you here. Please do not forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok for more updates. See you in the next one. Bye. I love you.